Right, yo, what's up guys, Mavis and now here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a an inventory system. It's basically what we are making today. So, basically what it is, you can find like objects around the map, and then with those objects, you can just, yeah, put them in your inventory, you could drop them, you could basically do whatever you want with them. So, let's begin. So, first thing we're gonna do is add a folder into replicated storage, and we're gonna call this player data. This is where every player's data will go. So basically, well, you can put it into storage so the players can't change their data in case, so the client can't access it. And so, what the player data is going to be is it's going to have a folder of everybody in the game, and basically inside of that it's going to be their inventory, and so that's basically all the objects they have. And so now we're going to create some objects. So I'm going to make like grass or something, so let's be green grass, and this will have a bool value called pickable. Pickable. Oh my god, I can't spell pickable. And it will have a click detector, which will be called a just click detector. So let's also add pickable items. And also let's make this true. So this is where all our pickable items are gonna be. So we're gonna have some wood. And we're gonna have a rock or something. Concrete. Or slate actually. That's better. Alright, so now we have 3 objects. This is wood. And this will be a rock. Now we're gonna create a GUI called inventory GUI. Also comment down below if you want any like specific inventory stuff. Like maybe an inventory system for the round system, where you could buy like stuff in the shop and then they go into your inventory and you can equip them in game and stuff. And let me know what type of inventory system you want next time. We're gonna create multiple. So, and also if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell to get notified whenever I upload again. So let's just finish the GUI. Called an inventory frame, and up here we'll have a title. It's gonna be like right here. In color, change transparency. Then we'll add a UI corner. Make this 12. Let's call this inventory. Put a button up there. So now our inventory looks like this. Looks pretty nice. Then a scrolling frame called items. To do that. Bam. And then we're gonna have a frame. Just make it like that. Just do that. Let's make the frame like that. Bam. Let me also copy the size and position, so let me open the notepad real quick. So size. I was gonna do a live stream today, but I'm gonna do that right now. because it was gonna be just playing games, and I know you guys want a scripting video, so just thought of making a scripting video. Position. Bam, 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 bam. Right, let's just let me just put that like right here or something. I make 2 frames. So this, I'll just call like template, roundify that. Oh, we didn't need to copy the position, I guess. Bam. And this will be a nice gray color or something. Here we go. And I'll add a viewport frame so we can actually see our object. So we'll call this item view. And we'll add a text label. Bam. Cartoon. And object name. Make it like a rich text, and we'll make it a nice white color. This, then we'll add another text, and this will be called quantity. So to like 0 something. So that's looking pretty nice. So do that, and then we'll add a UI grid layout. So whenever we duplicate, it goes like this, and we'll put the sort order as name. So if the object's name is like apple and the other one's called rock, then the apple will come first. It's basically alphabetical. So that's looking pretty nice. Let's just hide that. Alright, so now
here we go.
We're gonna do a data handler, and we're gonna add a pickup server, and I don't think we need a yeah, I guess we'll have like a remote event called drop item. We'll add more remote events later, maybe. So now we're just gonna do local player service equals game get service player service for players, and this will just create a new folder so we can so we can have an inventory. So local players data equals game get service server storage find first child. Actually we have to make this a remote function, because in just convert that, because if we're gonna make a script detecting it when we click it or something, and then whenever we click it we need to fire something to check if they actually have that. So just in case, so we'll do player data and local player data equals instance that new folder. So we have players data and player data. Then player data dot name equals player dot name. And then player data dot parent equals players data. And then we'll do the same thing, and we'll call this inventory There we go.
Invincible.
Yeah. So now if we quickly publish this, I'll just call this tutorials something, I don't know. Publish that. Let's play. So if we quickly switch to the server and we check player data, Mavis now, and we have an inventory now. So it's better than just, I mean, we could put it in like the player, but just find this way a little better. And now we're gonna do a pickup server. So like, we're gonna do local player service. Service players. Actually, we don't need to do that. So then we'll just, we also need to add something called local just items equals instance then new local items equals instance a new folder, and then items.name equals well, we technically don't need this, so never mind that. So we'll just do local pickable items equals workspace shell pickable items, and then we'll do for I comma item in pairs pickable items get children do if item find first child pickable and item find first child pickable, the value is equal to true, then we'll just do item find first child click detector dot mouse click connect function player, and then we'll just do again get the server storage since it's server find first child player data. Let's also add like copies, so items, then we'll just duplicate these and remove everything that's inside of them. So find first child player.name, and let's also do and game get source replay storage find first child items find first child item.name. So we're gonna check if it has a pickable value, and the pickable value is equal to true, and in replay storage we could find that item. Then we can just do local clone item equals this clone, then clone item the parent equals find first child inventory wait we don't need to do that. And let's also just do item destroy then. So let me publish this and play. So we're gonna, let me just choose like the wood. As you can see, it destroys, and if we check our inventory, now we have that wood. So if we do the same thing for these, actually now we have rock and grass, and they're not in pickable items anymore. But if you want them to not be like pickable, so like the grass, just put the value to false. And if we try and pick it up, as you can see, it doesn't work. So you don't have to like code that out. You just press a button, then it's all good. All good. And you can add as many as you want. Like just copy this. And then we'll have like a neon part or something, and it's called like special item. And just make sure you have that pickable value to true and a click detector, and then you're all good. You're all good. So we try and pick that up now. Oh yeah, and you also have to put that in the items. Just delete everything in there. And then when we pick it up, actually it picks up. So then if we check, as you can see, we have the special item now. So that's a cool thing, I guess. So now we can just now we have to code the inventory system. So we're also gonna add something called add inventory. And well, yeah, let's do add inventory, and then we'll just do inventory client. Let's also add another service script called remote handler. So we'll just do local repk storage goes gain gets their repk storage, and we're gonna do repk storage find for child drop item. Actually, we can just keep that for now because I'm not gonna do that right now. Just there we go. Now let's do local player service equals gain get those players. Local replicated storage equals gain get service replicate storage. And then we'll just do local. Well, let's make this a little better. So let's add queen service to this. Did I pick up? So we'll just do gain get service tween service create item comma tween info dot new 0 comma or actually 1 comma enum dot easing cell dot linear comma enum dot easing direction dot in out comma 0 comma false comma 0 comma position equals player dot character find first child humanoid dot position, and then play, and then wait like 1 second, and then we'll just do item destroy, and let's also do item that can collide equals false, so we don't just push to it. So basically what this is when we click it, it doesn't work. Oh, I know the problem. I think I know the problem. Equals vector 3 dot new. There we go. And then publish that and play. Then when we press this, it's still false. Oh, I think I know the problem. Oh, we did a humanoid root. We did humanoid. We have to do the humanoid root part. Then let's press this, and as you can see, it goes towards us. But yeah, that just doesn't look good at all. Let's just do that. There's gonna be a little side thing you could do. Don't have to do that. So then we're gonna do local add inventory equals replace or shell add inventory. Also in a pickup server, we're gonna do gain get search replace storage find first child add inventory fire client player comma item. So then let me just close that, and let's just do local player equals players local player, and then let's do local player inventory equals well, we can't really do that now, can we? Let's add a remote event called add items, and we'll do just actually we don't need to do add items. We could just do let me think. Let's do add inventory dot on client event connect function item. Then we'll do local inventory frame equals script.frame 5 shell inventory frame. Local items frame equals inventory frame client first child items, and find first child template. Oh wait, just do local template equals items frame first child template. Then we're gonna do local. Then we're gonna do if. Well, we don't have to do that because we already know it's an existing one. So let's just do local clone template equals instance.new. Wait, template clone, and clone template.name equals item.name clone template find first child object name. We're not gonna do a quantity system, by the way. We're just gonna do bam, bam, and there. And we're gonna also do a image button, which is gonna be like this, and then that's good. Then we're just gonna do click detection, and we're gonna do in here clone templates. Actually, we can do local oh, I know what we can do. We can send over the item's name, and then we'll do item name. And then local item equals workplace search find first child items find first child item name, and then text equals item name, and we'll do local clone item equals item clone, and clone item dot parent equals clone template find first child item view, and then we'll do local fake cam equals instance.new camera, and then fake cam at cframe equals clone item. Actually, cframe.new clone item find clone item that position plus vector 3 dot plus clone item that cframe the look vector times 3, plus
I lost my best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me.
plus vector 3 dot new 3 comma 0 comma 3 comma clone item dot position. I'm going to fake cam the parent equals item view thing again, and then the current camera equals fake cam, and then we'll do clone item find first child. Actually, clone item dot visible equals true, and wait, not clone item, clone template the parent equals items frame. So let's see if that works. Let me publish and play. So then, bam, and oh, that's a voice crack. Well, it looks like it's working, but it doesn't really look that great now, does it? So let's make a few adjustments. Let's try 0. Doesn't look that great either. Let's just do this. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that works, I guess, but let me just do like 2. Yeah, that's better. So as you can see, it looks cool now, but if we try and click, it doesn't work. So, let's code the drop item. So clone template find first child, click detection, the mouse button 1 click, connect function, and then we'll do replicate storage find first child. Actually, we could do local result equals replicate storage find first child drop item dot or fire or invoke server. Then we'll send over the item name, and then we're gonna do if result is equal to false or true, and then print clear the name has dropped item has dropped dot item name, and items frame find first child item name destroy, but else if result is equal to false, then print something or warn something went wrong with dropping item name. That's good, I guess. Now in here in remote handler, we're gonna do on server invoke equals function player comma item name. I'm gonna do local item equals item name find first child. Actually, okay, so it's find first child item find first child item name. And we're gonna do if item then else return false, and if player if let's do local server storage equals game get to server storage, and we're gonna do if server storage find first child player data, find first child player the name, find first child inventory, find first child item name, then oh gee, my keyboard disconnected, so now it just keeps on pressing this button. Gee. Alright, let's just go back a bit. Alright, so it else return false. And we're gonna do local character equals player character, and then we're gonna do local clone item. Actually, we could just put these in everything, because we aren't gonna use them anyway. And we're gonna do local clone item equals item clone, and clone item dot parent equals workspace find for shell pickable items, and clone item dot cframe equals character find first child humanoid root parts that cframe plus, actually we can do position, and then position plus vector 3 dot new 3 comma 0 comma 3, and then we could just return true. So let's see if that works. Bam. And that kind of worked. Now we can't pick it up again. So, item clone. And let me think for a second. Let's also just put this to 0. Let's see if that works. That's just behind us now. So let's just do -3. Bam. That's good enough, I guess. So boop boop boop. But we can't pick it up again for some reason. So how about we just do a while wait do loop. Then we'll just put that in there. Bam 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 bam. Sheesh, that was pretty fast. And let's publish and play. Let's put these down, and yes, we could play. We could pick them up again, place them. And let's also do just because we're not making a quantity system right now, we could do that in a later video, and not and not and not find first child item dot name. Oh, let's just do if not, then so we're gonna do if we don't have it in our inventory, then else print player RD has, actually let's just do player dot name RD has item dot name. Bam. Okay, so now already has a special item. What? No, you don't. It's the player. Oh, I know. In a way. If not, there we go. Yeah, that should work. That should work. That should work. Alright. What if we just copy this? Bam. Actually, we can't pick it up because we already have it. But if we try now, it doesn't work again. Ah, whatever. Don't really need that now, do we? So now we have a working inventory system. So yeah, but it's pretty good, I guess. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. And we can just pick everything up again. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me just do a cool little emote. Boop. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. And we're on the road to 400 subscribers. As you see, we're at 302 right now. Hopefully we get to 400 in this 30 times. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified whenever you see my videos again. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.